What's up, JO Mafia?
It's your girl, Jess.
It's your boy Otis, you guys. Today we got fried chicken wings, you guys.
Yep.
And we got the 2 times spicy hot sauce.
2 times spicy.
And then this one right here this isn't the 2 times, but it's still hot. So Jazz gonna try to do it a little bit with this. And then if it kicks in and it's a little bit too spicy.
Nope. Let me correct. I'm doing it with this. I'm not.
And if things get real bad, we got the hot sauce.
Yep. Sure do.
Yep.
I'm not about to play. Okay.
She doing too much, y'all.
But we gotta get into this video so we can grub the.
I'm excited.
Before we get into this video, just a couple of things we need you to do, fam. Like this video.
Share this video.
Comment down below.
Hit that notification bell. Bing! And don't forget to
subscribe. With that being said, let's do this thumbnail.
Let's do it.
I got a question for you, sir. You been telling me this over 2 times. I thought this was the 2 times. Ain't this the 2 times?
This is the 2 times.
What are you saying? I thought both of them were.
Both of them are made by the same company, but this one is that one isn't as spicy as this one. This is the 2 times.
Whatever. Let's do this, man.
So I'm gonna get Jazz her water.
Yep.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we went ahead and we're using orange juice containers.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. This is what we do to get our agua in. You feel me?
All right. Okay, so what we gonna do is... Oh, it says shake.
Yeah, you gotta shake it, baby. Oh, let me get Jazz her napkins because I ain't got time for her. You know what I mean? Here you go, baby.
Thank you, sir. All right, come on, great piece of chicken. Let's get this over with.
Oh, you ready to get? Man, I'm sweating already.
I'm trying to get it over with.
All right. Shout out to Nene Eats for hooking it up, y'all.
Yeah, shout out to Nene. Yes, y'all. She hooked it up.
Yeah, shout out to Nene Eats, y'all.
And as y'all can see, Otis opened this one already.
Yeah, I already opened that one.
Okay, so I'm
So here you go.
I don't know.
Babe,
you should have said the 2 times.
No, babe, that's not the 2 times. So here you go.
Let us know in the comment section because I don't think Otis know what he's talking about.
Yes, I do. This is the 2 times.
I thought this was 2.
No, babe.
Okay.
Look, y'all. Here you go. So, I'm about to grab a wine.
A wang.
And I'm about to... Ooh.
Okay, that's it. I ain't finna put a whole bunch because...
Oh, my God. And then I'm going to show y'all that up close. Y'all see it?
Show y'all mine, y'all.
And I'm going to do this. And we going to do this in 1, 2... Matter of fact, I'm sorry, y'all. Let's do it. We going to do this in 1, 2, 3...
Hold on. Hold on. Babe, I think you lied to me.
I ain't lying.
Let me see.
Babe.
I don't know.
Man.
It's good, but it's hot.
This stuff good, y'all.
Okay. Okay. It wasn't that bad. I had a little cough. I'm going to go for the 2 times. Wait. Okay.
Oh,
right. I'm doing this for y'all.
Man, it's starting to kick. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Whew. It's starting to hit. That's about to hit.
You know what? That ain't that bad.
Jazz can take some heat. Look. Man. Wow.
Okay. We good.
Uh-oh. Here you go.
We good.
Mm. Hold up. What? Jazz.
Okay.
Serious?
Wait, you ain't want both? That's what you did on the live?
Look, y'all.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna give my honest opinion. I feel like the ones that come with the noodles is hotter.
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, man.
It's good.
It's hot.
It ain't that bad.
Woo. Look. Oh, my God. I'm about to pour a little bit more.
Okay.
Oh, my.
It ain't that bad.
Whew. It's starting to hit. It's starting to pick up.
Is it?
Oh, yeah. Hold on, y'all.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Hold on.
Wait. It's good. It's starting to kick in.
Oh,
We were supposed to go with this topic, Otis.
I don't think we're gonna get that back. Man. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Oh.
Okay. I'm put my bones to the side.
Look, y'all. Oh. Man. I'm starting not to feel my mouth. Look, y'all.
I'm gonna have a lot.
Oh. Y'all, look. We about to make it hit you. We about to make it extra high.
So we got.
Y'all see it? Whew. We got 3 things on here. Oh, man.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, hold on. I need some more over here, y'all. It's hot, but it's so good, y'all. So good. Oh, the ones in the noodles is way hotter.
I feel like.
They way hotter. Hold on.
I feel like that.
Whew. Whew.
I'm gonna get some more of this.
Oh, man. Here, y'all. Not too many conversations. I can't even talk all that. This stuff starting to hit.
Bless you, y'all.
This stuff starting to hit, y'all. I love spicy. But
My lips hurt.
Don't they? Look. Wow. I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened. Hold on. I don't know.
Oh. Why does it feel like we doing a challenge?
Man, babe. I don't know. We're supposed to be enjoying our chicken.
I think we went too far.
Man, look, y'all.
Wait. I think we went too far with it. Wait.
Oh, man.
We went left. We went left. Wait.
Hold on.
Wait. I think you're supposed to enjoy this.
Hold on.
I ain't enjoying this. Huh?
Oh, man. Look, y'all.
Wait. Wait.
Ooh.
What? Wait. Wait. Woo! Wait a minute. That's hot sauce. Hot sauce ain't supposed to hurt like this. And I didn't even have 2 times on it.
Oh, my God. Right.
I don't know. I think I'm... Whew, wait a minute.
Oh, yeah.
My nose running, y'all. Listen. Let me tell y'all something. I don't know what the heck, but I promise to God, show that hot sauce. Y'all just seen us eat this with the catfish. Excuse me for a sec. Okay. Y'all seen us eat with that? Ooh, I can't even talk. I'm talking in tongues. But yeah, ooh.
Man, look.
I want to finish this chicken.
This is the last one. I ain't doing no more.
Wait, but this chicken's so good though. You remember the first time we had 2 times?
Mom, set ourselves up. It's just like we setting ourselves up now. Look, y'all. Sorry we ain't do too much talking.
Listen,
But
I'm
sweating.
I feel like I still had 2 times burning on my tongue. So when I bit into that hot sauce.
Oh, my. It amped it up.
Didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, man.
But I took it like a champ. Because.
Look, y'all. I can't even feel my lips like that.
Whew.
Oh, my God. All this is burning. All this is burning. All this is burning. Oh, hold on.
Drink water.
Hold on. Hold on.
Drink the water.
Ooh, just.
I just need the hot sauce.
Ooh, hold on. Ooh. Look, y'all. That's it.
I didn't be done.
That's it. I love y'all. We about to go ahead We about to go ahead and end this video.
We got a lot of 2 times.
Forget that. Forget all that.
I think we still gonna eat it with the 2 times because the 2 times good.
Oh man, it's some good stuff.
But
on your lip, babe.
Right here?
On your lip. Yeah, you got it. Whew.
But that
man.
That sneak up on me.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It's
but my mouth cooled down now.
It's good.
Whew.
This and this and this together. Oh my God. I'm surprised Jazz even did it.
I'm surprised I did it, but
I can't even lick my lips, y'all. Whew.
Yeah, it's like all red up in there.
It's red, ain't it? Man.
All right, y'all. Look, I managed not to get it on me.
I'm proud of her.
But before we end this video,
we got JO Mafia merch, y'all.
Yeah.
Her link is in the bio. Well, in the bio. In the comment section below. In the comment section.
Okay, so
yeah, go ahead.
I don't know how to turn it to a. I feel like in a weird way this was a challenge. Anyways, but to the OGs, we love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for always coming to the channel and supporting us. For the newcomers, welcome to the JO Mafia family. And with that being said, family, love, peace, and soul train. Peace.